I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this rose quartz inspired set of nails using the brand new Urban Graffiti Builder in a Bottle. Enjoy! So I've already kind of prepped these nails. I've like buffed over the nails and like given the cuticles a bit of a tidy. But you can see from this one, we're going to have to extend this and we're going to have to extend this. But I'm going to do that using the brand new Builder in a Bottle. To start, I'm going to use the Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator. Pop that over the nails. Don't get it on the skin. Base coat. So push up towards the cuticle, move that skin away, cap the free edge, but obviously this one's quite low down, so don't get that on the skin. Just base coat in all of the nails. Pop that under the lamp for 60 seconds, please. Right, so I am going to extend this little nail. Put the tab on the back of the form, keeps it nice and strong. Undo that, give it a good pinch, so you get a bit of a curve on it. I'm going to pop that as close as I can. Nice and tight. Stick my little tabs down. Using the Urban Graffiti Builder in a Bottle. Yes. Using it in the colour Rose Quartz. I'm going to do a thin layer. Dragging it out slightly, just a bit of the product onto the form. Doesn't want to come off the brush. Same on the other side. Making sure I've got none on the skin. So we're going to file that. So if you want to pop that under the lamp, please, 30 seconds. And just slowly taking that form off. There we go. Obviously that's not going to be very strong because it's just got a really thin layer. But I'm going to go in and do the rest. Nice. Push up towards the cuticle, down the nail. Pulling the skin away. Come on. Pop that under, 30 seconds please. So now I'm going to go in and do a thicker builder layer. So push up towards the cuticle, so dragging down, capping the edge. I know this looks a little bit of a nasty nail at the moment, but it'll be nice once I've filed it. And just adding a little bit more product down that middle, down here. Just flip your hand a second. And back over. Yep. Pop them under, 30 seconds please. So I'm gonna give these a good file. So I'm using a 240 grit file because I don't want to take away a lot of the product. Literally gonna skim over the top. Get close to that cuticle. Down the side walls. It just files like chalk. So this will be really nice and easy to do an infill. You should just file around the back of the cuticle, and then again just do your prep base coat, builder coats. Get rid of all the dust. I'm going to use the Nails gel residue wipe off solution just to get rid of all the dust and everything. I'm just going to do that on all of the nails. Right, they're all done. I'm going to continue doing this thumbnail. So I've already base coated that one. So we're going to use the first layer of the builder in a bottle. I think you could definitely extend with these. It's just like having like an acrylic. You just keep going and then cure it, and then just do exactly the same, but you're just extending it outwards. Pop a little bit more on that free edge. There we go. Pop that under 30 seconds, please. Really gently. Ta-da! We've got a nail. Right, builder layer. So nice and thin towards the cuticle. Remember building your apex. Lovely. And I didn't need to flip that one upside down because I was really happy with how I built that apex up. Pop that under 30 seconds, please. I'm going to file over. It's like habit. You just get used to...
Yeah.
Literally like chalk. I love it. It's so easy to file.
Even on a hot day like today.
When it's 40 degrees. Hottest day of the year. Stuck in a studio with no windows. Yay! Built the sides of your nail up.
Woohoo!
Got some nails. Around that cuticle area. Okay. Let's give that a wipe and a clean. Yay! So that would be just a perfect, well, I'm happy to say that that's my builder in a bottle, but I'm not finished there. I'm going to keep going. So I'm going to use the Nails Urban Graffiti Blooming Gel. Nice thin layer. I do this on all of the nails. Now I'm going to use Innocent Angel from the Pearly collection. The Nails 01 brush. Dipped it into Pearly Angel. Just dragging through the nail. And with the blooming gel, it'll just like disperse across the nail. Also using Snow White, dipping my brush. Just using the tip of the brush, I'm just dragging through that blooming gel. So pop that under lamp for 30 seconds, please. So I've just wiped over the back of my foil with some residue wipe off solution. Just gonna just press it onto the nail. I like to do ring finger and thumb as like accent nails. So, love it. Love it. So with the Urban Graffiti top coat, I'm going to seal these designs in. You're going to have a lovely, thick natural nail. I'm not going to snap these anytime soon. See, capping that free edge. Popping under lamp, 60 seconds. Going back with the blooming gel. Again with Innocent Angel, dragging it through on Snow White. I pop that under 30 seconds, please. Using the foil, because this is still a sticky layer. The foil comes off really easy. Just wanna, you can always scrunch it up as well. And just chuck it on there. Top coat. And that's gonna go into cure for 60 seconds. Now using the Neo Nails lemon cuticle oil, I'm gonna rehydrate those nails. Wow, it's really lemony. Really, really lemony. And there we have my first set of builder in a bottle nails with a bit of a rose quartz theme to go with the name. Yeah, bit of foil, nice and simple, easy, and also my first time using blooming gel. So yay, go me. So I hope you enjoyed this video and give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.